Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be opening the August box for BOXYCHARM. I'm really excited about it. I actually don't know anything that's in there except for my choice. It's the Dr. Brandt's. It's like a face cleanser that purifies your pores or whatever. So here it is. Hello Charmer. Wow, okay, yeah.
Never seen these before.
Super exciting. Let's go ahead and take out this card, okay? Alright, so today's theme is gonna be spa, camping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. I think that's the theme for this. It doesn't say really, it just says that. Very like summery, and it looks like it has like marshmallows and like graham crackers and chocolate, so s'mores. Yeah, like camping. I don't know. I don't really know the theme, guys, but it's kind of a surprise. I got the box number 26. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with this because I already know what this is. This is the Pore Purifying Cleanser Netoyant. Oh, that's a different language, guys. I'm reading a different language. Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. I don't know if it's Dr. Brandt or Dr. Brandt. Please correct me if I'm saying it wrong. So Dr. Brandt, and it's a really good size. I feel like this is gonna last me a really long time. Let's go ahead and smell it. I chose this because I really need my pores to look really tiny. I have really large pores. Ooh, guys, it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like really refreshing. Very earthy and very refreshing. Like a spa. Yeah, it smells so good. It smells like tree. It smells like tea leaves. I wish you guys could smell this with me. I can't wait to try it. I hope this works because girl, my pores be so big. Look at this. It has salicylic acid, tea tree oil. See, that's probably what I'm smelling. Tea tree oil and white willow bark. That as well.
It smells really like trees and like the forest.
Okay, so the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser comes out to $36. That's the original price for that one. Very expensive. Hopefully it works. The next one is the Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer by Elizabeth Mott. Ooh, look at this packaging. Isn't that so cute? Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So it's an eyeshadow primer. I think I already have two eyeshadow primers. One I'm running out of. And the other one was also by BOXYCHARM. Ooh, look at this packaging. It's the Thank Me Later Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. I always need some of this. I really do. This one comes out to $20. Still very expensive, but it's an eyeshadow primer. That's usually how much they are. I'm very happy I got that. Guys, by the way, this box was so light. I thought there was nothing in there because I literally didn't feel anything in here. So the next one is going to be the Tristique Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essential Set. And it looks like it has different stuff in there. At first I thought these were all lipsticks, but actually they're all different. We have a mini highlighter stick, a mini blush stick, mini shadow crayon, and mini brow pencil. Wow. I've never tried a blush that is like a cream or a crayon blush. I've never tried that. Crayon blushes are just like not really that popular, or I don't know. I just never tried it. These are so cute. I like this. They're adorable. They actually do look like crayons, and the caps look like it's open, but it's not. These are actually the caps. They're all different sizes. See, this one's like really big, this one's really big, and then these two right here are really small. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. This is the highlighting. Ooh, okay, I'm liking it already. I'm gonna swatch it right here on my hand. They're so pretty. We're gonna try the blush. I don't know about the consistency. I feel like this would probably get everywhere. Patchy maybe, I'm not sure. And then here we got the mini eyeshadow crayon. It looks like it's a metallic. Yeah, it's a metallic. so cute. It's a very like a green brown, I don't know, it's iridescent. It's like green, between green and brown. Last but not least, we have the eyebrow pencil. That's cool. This one's really thin at the end, which is great. I thought it was gonna be like an actual crayon. This is awesome. It's one of those like really slanted eyebrow things. Okay, downside to this, the shape is great, but it's very dry. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. It is really hard to put on. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I'm not really impressed with that. The Tristique Summer Glow and Go kit comes out to $42. That's expensive. And I just don't feel like it's worth that much. I don't think it's worth that amount, but whatever. It is what it is. We have the Estetica Sunset Bronzer. Ooh, Estetica. I've never heard of that brand. I like the packaging. Look at that. I'm gonna swatch this right away because I'm just like, I'm in love already. Okay, so it has a very soft finish. It's right here. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's a very natural bronzer. As you can see, it's perfect. And I can take this on the go. I really like this. Great choice. The Estetica Sunset Bronzer comes out to $24. Not bad. It's just a bronzer. $24 is pretty good. Oh, Milk Makeup. I've heard a lot about this one. I just never tried this. It's the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I love a brow gel. I actually haven't owned a brow gel in a while. I really needed this. Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Do something dope for your brows. Cute. Tapered brush deposits gel evenly for instant definition. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's see. So I got the color Dutch. It's at the very top. It looks like this. Isn't that packaging so cool? It's geometric. Oh, I dropped it. Fancy. This is it right here. This matte like white packaging really gets my attention. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Oh, it's like a really tiny one. It has a really tiny brush. I'm actually gonna try this on right now. Let's see. So yeah, it's a tinted brow gel. It went on really nice. It looks pretty good. I mean, I don't really tell the difference. Sort of. It does look a little more neat on this side than this one. I like that it has this little brush. It makes it so much easier to use. I feel like I can really do a lot with it. It doesn't get all over the place. It's just perfect. It is the right color for my brows, so I'm very happy about that. It looks like it's gonna work really well. I'm so happy I got this. I'm pretty happy with this box. I actually really like everything that I got in here. The Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel is $20. Very small for $20, but if it works, it works. I'm hoping it lasts a long time. I had a few difficulties with BOXYCHARM actually. See, they have like this thing called like BOXYCHARM pop-up. You can go on the website and like buy something from there separate from your box. I saw a lot of things on there that were on sale that I wanted to buy. 2 of them came in, the third one did not, and it was a concealer. The reason I got the concealer is because it was one of the choice things, and so was this. So it was between this and the concealer, and I actually really wanted the concealer, but since I saw that they had it on the pop-up, I decided to choose this one for my box and buy the concealer separate so that way I can get both of them. Well, sadly, it did not come in. The concealer didn't come in, and I complained about it, and they literally didn't do anything, so I'm really upset about that. They said they don't have any more, that's why. And I totally understand that, but I feel like on their end, they really, like, let me down. I really, really needed that concealer. Like, I'm running out of my concealer. So if I would have known that they weren't gonna send it to me because I bought it, I would have just picked it for the choice instead of this here. But sadly, that's what happened. Back to the box. I went to get this box. Okay, so I really like this. I like the Milk makeup a lot, and I really, really, really need this. I don't really need this one, but I do like it a lot. These ones I was not so crazy about. I don't know, I feel like some of them won't work the way I want them to. I don't know. I'm gonna give this box 8 out of 10. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. 8 out of 10 for this. I'm gonna go really quick through everything just so we all remember what I got. I got the Dr. Brandon's Pore Purifying Cleanser, Tristique Summer Glow and Go, the Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Gel. We have the Sunset Bronzer by Aesthetica. We got the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite product was from this box here. Let me know what you guys got in your box and if you were happy with your box this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really love you guys. I hope you guys have a good day. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll pop it right here. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.